their property, and all other tangible assets of the people. If you think that you, just because you're a Toronto police officer, that you've got a pension for the rest of your life, or if you, all of you people out there, don't start protecting your assets and start waking up, you've got a rude awakening coming very fast for this so-called rich and the higher class, or whatever the hell you want to call these clowns, start coming after us. But we the people, were created in the 12th century when the King of England, the King, came into common law and took the common people, that's us. And we all came together and we stood up, and they knew that they could not override the people. Us, this park, quite frankly, should be packed with people. All you business owners out there, JW Foods is not the only business having to stand its ground and to put my neck on the line. But I'll tell you, I will fight every single day with my law and anyone else that tries to come on my property. And if you guys think anybody out there that is a business owner, anybody out there that is anybody, quite frankly, you don't even need to be a business owner. Do not be afraid of tickets, because the tickets aren't going to hold up, because the Constitution of this beautiful country will stand behind us once we take it to court, if we have a court, if this country keeps on doing what it's doing. But I'll tell you, I will fight with every single one of you to make sure that we got freedom in this land, and that we are all free people. You see, we were born free, we live free, and we will die free. So, let's get something straight. My company got...
Get me out of here. You got the best one.
Yeah, if we had all those people together,
Have a YouTube channel? What is it called? They're starting to wear them now. Just look at the white suits. 35 white suits. We're drinking at Young and Dundas Square. Some of you have no idea what we're talking about, but that's okay. We're going to enjoy it.